Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another tie-dye. I know, this is my personal favorite.
This was a Daddy design.
Yeah,
Designed by Daddy.
This was my brainchild. I have a feeling this one's gonna do all right.
Oh, I'm sure. Have no doubt.
Let us know what y'all think in the comments below. What is that on the outside of that one? Is that blue violet? Or is that lavender?
No, I think it's lavender.
Yeah. Looks good. Now that we got our color chart, I'm thinking of like just starting every video with a disclaimer of the color chart.
You ought to show our color chart.
Yeah.
Even those colors don't look
not quite like what you get,
yeah,
but then we want closer. Like the tone is the same on all of them. It's like the lemon yellow. Everyone always says, "Oh, it's so faded." But if you look at this chart in here, you'll be like, "Oh, y'all's lemon yellow comes out very vibrant because it's supposed to come out as a pastel." To the inside?
Yeah, to the inside. It's beautiful.
I know. Thank you, Mama. You made it. Oh, loveless. Bands off of it. Oh yeah. That already looks good. I can't believe we haven't done one like this yet. I've been wanting to see one like this. I saw one that's pretty cool the other day. I was scrolling through YouTube shorts at work. I saw one where someone drew like a lemon on a spiral.
Yeah, I watched that guy where he draws different designs on his tie-dye.
And it looked really cool, so I was like, man, we need to do something other than just splitting the pattern. Let's see what we got. Yeah, look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's nice. Nice. What do you think? Let's see the back. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful shirt, Mama. Look at that. Wow.
Designs
good
by Daddy.
definition. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
We don't have much time with Daddy. She's starting.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good. The camera doesn't even really do it justice. It's got lots of greens and blues and purples around the edges. You can't even hardly tell on camera, but yeah, looks really good. Maybe you can see it better in the sun. Not really, but yeah. Came out really, really good. This is the one that we did the ring patterns around the spiral instead of just dyeing it in pie slices. And yeah, I think it came out really good. We're gonna try that same design and style in some different colors and see how that turns out. Maybe even try the same thing but inverted as well. Let us know what you would like to see in the comments below. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.